Okay, so I'm an E46 and I got one of these Android head units and my radio was working. There's a plugin. My radio was working, but the sound for like Bluetooth and the Android noises weren't there. So what I did to fix that was I ripped the blue and the red wire from the harness that I wasn't using right here, and I put them together. That's all you do. And yeah, all these other ones, I spent a lot of hours trying to figure out what to do, like scouring the internet and everything. But yeah, it doesn't matter what you do with the rest, just put these two together and you're good. Hope I helped you out.